Have you ever noticed that your internet connection is fast one day, then suddenly feels slow or unstable the next? If you're using an Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210 adapter, there are a few settings that can make a real difference in both speed and reliability. The good news is that the AX210 is one of the best wireless cards available for Linux. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.x, and works extremely well with modern Linux kernels. But many users simply install Linux Mint and never check if their adapter is running with the best configuration. The first thing I recommend checking is your Wi-Fi band. If your router supports 5 GHz or 6 GHz, try using those bands instead of the crowded 2.4 GHz band. The 2.4 GHz band offers better range, but it is often packed with interference from neighboring networks, Bluetooth devices, and even household electronics. For users sitting close to the router, 5 GHz or 6 GHz can provide noticeably faster speeds and lower latency. If you have a Wi-Fi 6E router, the AX210 can take full advantage of the 6 GHz band for an even cleaner wireless experience. Another setting worth checking is power saving mode. Linux sometimes enables aggressive power saving to extend battery life, especially on laptops. While this can reduce power consumption, it may also introduce latency spikes and occasional connection drops. You can verify the current setting using Terminal. If you notice unstable performance during downloads, streaming, or video calls, disabling Wi-Fi power saving often improves consistency. Next, make sure you're using a modern Linux kernel. The Intel AX210 receives frequent driver improvements through the Linux kernel itself. Newer kernels often bring better hardware compatibility, improved roaming behavior, and bug fixes. Linux Mint 22.3 users running recent kernels usually get excellent support out of the box. If you're still using an older kernel, upgrading may improve wireless performance without changing any other settings. Router placement also matters more than many people realize. Even the best Wi-Fi card cannot overcome thick concrete walls, metal cabinets, or poor router positioning. Try placing the router in a more open location and avoid keeping it behind furniture or inside cabinets. If your router allows channel selection, choose a less congested channel instead of leaving everything on automatic. In busy apartment buildings, manually selecting a cleaner channel can improve both speed and stability. For desktop users, antenna placement is extremely important. If your motherboard came with external Wi-Fi antennas, make sure they are properly connected and positioned upright. Many people overlook this simple step and lose a significant amount of signal strength. Finally, keep your system updated. Intel regularly releases firmware updates that are included in Linux firmware packages. Installing system updates ensures that your AX210 is running with the latest improvements available for Linux Mint. The Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210 is already an excellent wireless adapter. With the right band selection, power settings, updated firmware, and proper antenna placement, you can get faster speeds, lower latency, and a much more reliable connection on Linux Mint 22.3.